Sausage and cornbread stuffing is the ultimate comfort food. It is one of the great holiday seasonal dishes, and if you serve this at your table at one of your holiday events, be warned, it will steal the show. None of your guests will remember anything that happens after the stuffing is served. It is truly a miracle on a plate. As for the ingredients, we've got about 10 ingredients all in. There's too many to rattle off here. You can see what they are on the screen. You can also click the description to this video to see all the ingredients in the exact proportions. You can also use the timestamps and table of contents to this video to jump around to whatever part of this video is most interesting and useful for you. Step number one is we are going to mince our aromatics. We've got some onion, garlic, and celery that need mincing. Next up is our celery. Okay, next up is the garlic, and the first step is to take off the paper. Okay, you're gonna give the garlic a smash, flatten it like a pancake, then you're gonna put a fine mince on it. Oh my God, that smells so intense. Okay, it's time to cook. We're gonna start by sauteing our onions and celery. To that, we're gonna add our sausage, the garlic, and the herbs. Okay, we'll get started with our olive oil, about 4 tablespoons. In goes the onion and celery over a medium heat. We're gonna let those soften up. Okay, we're gonna give it a little seasoning. The salt. Okay, so it is time to add in our sausage. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it all in and let it start to brown. Okay, we're gonna let that sausage brown for a few minutes, and we're gonna add to it the garlic, our herbs, and the walnuts. Time to add our next batch of ingredients. Our sausage is looking nice and brown. So in goes our garlic, in go our walnuts, in go our fresh herbs. It smells incredible. Here we have 10 cups of cornbread cubes, 1-inch cubes, and into it goes our sausage, onion, celery, walnut mixture. Okay, so we're combining the sausage and cornbread. Now we're gonna give it about 3 cups or so of the vegetable stock. You can see that's a little too dry. Just a little bit more. Yeah, it's a nice gooey mess. Okay, time to put it into our baking trays. Okay, time to get this bacon in the oven. We're about 30 minutes away from stuffing. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, we have stuffing. Sausage and cornbread stuffing. Every day is Thanksgiving in the studio kitchen. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like. That's the best way for you to support this channel. Good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Oh my God, you gotta get your own. This is outrageous.
Wow, perfect. I think you're just prone to using hyperbole a lot when you...
Okay, now you're making personal attacks.